Class 9, exercise 6.2, question number 10. See, in an AP, the first term is 24 and the common difference is -4. Find the number of terms of an AP to add up to get the sum 72. Here, question number 10. First term, that is A is equal to 24. Common difference D is equal to -4, and Sn, that is equal to 72, it is given to you. You have to find the value of n. So Sn formula is equal to n by 2, 2 into A, that is 24, plus n minus 1 into D, that is -4, close. Sn, it is given to you 72. 72 equal to n by 2. This is 8 to 4 is 8, 48 minus 4n plus 4. So 72 equal to n by 2. 48 plus 4 minus 4n. 72 is equal to n by 2. This comes to be 48 plus 4. This comes to be 52. Minus 4n, 72, here 2 is equal to n. Here I take 4 common, 4, yes, I can take 4 common. So it will be 4 1s are 4, or 4 3s are 12, minus n. Now 72 into 2 divided by 4 is equal to n, 13 minus n. This is implies that. Now 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. So 36 equal to 13n minus n square. This comes out to be n square minus 13n plus 36 equal to 0. Splitting the middle term. Prime factorization of 36, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9, 3 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Therefore n square minus 9n minus 4n plus 36 equal to 0. N common, n minus 9 minus 4 common, n minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore n minus 4 and n minus 9 equal to 0, n is equal to 4, or n is equal to 9. This is your answer. Now back, let me check the answer. So, let me check the answer. Here 10, here see, n is equal to 9 or n is equal to 4. Here n is equal to 4 or n is equal to 9. Now, here you see question number 11. An AP is -3, -6, -3, ... How many terms of an AP are added up to get the sum 66? It is same like question number 10. Here A is equal to -9. D is equal to second term minus first term, -6 minus bracket -9. So -6 plus 9, which comes out to be 3. And Sn, it is given to you 66. You have to find n is equal to how much. So Sn, that is equal to n by 2, 2 into -9 plus n minus 1 into D is your 3. Sn, it is 66, it is given to you. So this will equal to n by 2 minus 18 plus 3n minus 3. So this is 66 into 2, this is equal to n, and minus 18 minus 3, that is minus 21 plus 3n. Now this is 66 into 2. Here 3 can be 3 is the common. 3 is the common. So into 3 minus 7 plus n. 66 into 2 divided by 3 is equal to n minus 7 plus n, and 3 2s are 6. So 44 is equal to minus 7n plus n square. So this will be equal to 0 is equal to n square minus 7n minus 44, or I can write it like this: n square minus 7n minus 44 equal to 0. So 44 prime factorization over 22 to 11. So 11 minus 4, it is 7. So n square minus 11n plus 4n minus 44 equal to 0. N common, n minus 11. Now plus 4 common, n minus 11, that's equal to 0. So n plus 4 and n minus 11, that's equal to 0. So n is equal to 11. N can never be negative, so n will be equal to 11. Let me check the answer. Your answer. See, question number 10. N is equal to 11. See, yes, it's n is equal to 11. Now I am going to question number 13. Question number 13. Because question number 2, there is some defect in question number 2. So I am going to question number 13. An AP consists of 21 terms. The sum of 3 middle terms is 129, and the sum of the last 3 terms is 237. As it is given that the number of terms is equal to 21, so our middle term will be n plus 1 divided by 2, that is 21 plus 1 divided by 2, 22 by 2, and that is equal to 11. So our 3 middle terms will be A10, A11 and A12. Here it is given the sum of these 3 middle terms, that is A10 plus A11 plus A12, it is 129. And this is equation 1. And the last 3 terms, that is A21 plus A20 plus A19, this is equal to 237. We have to find the AP. So here, this is equation number 2. Now, from 1, A10 plus A11 plus A12 is equal to 129. That is A plus 9D plus A plus 10D plus A plus 11D. That is equal to 129. 1, 2, 3. 3A, 19, say 9 plus 11, that is 20. 20 is 30. 30 D is equal to 129. Let me take 3 common. Implies that 3 common. A plus 10D, that is equal to 129. Therefore A plus 10D, this is equal to 129 divided by 3. Therefore A plus 10D, that is equal to 43. This is equation number 3. Now from equation number 2, that is A19 plus A20 plus A21 is 237. A plus 18D plus A plus 19D plus A plus 20D. That is equal to 237. 3A, now 18 plus 19, 7, 37, 20, 57. So plus 57D is equal to 237. I can make 3 common here. Therefore A plus 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27D is equal to 237. A plus 19D is equal to 237 by 3. 3 7s are 21, that is A plus 19D. 3 7s are 21, 3 7 21, 2 7. 3 7s are 21, 3 2 2 3 9s are 27. This is equation number 4. Now here implies that. Now we bring both the third and the fourth equation. Third and the fourth equation, that is a plus 10d is equal to 43, equation 3, and a plus 19d, that is equal to 79, equation number 4. A plus 10d, that is 43, a plus 19d, that is 79, equation 4. Now I subtract 3 minus 4. When I subtract 3 minus 4, the sign changes and this cancel out. Minus 9d is equal to 9 minus 3, this is 6, and 7 minus 4, that is 3, minus this, minus cancel out, d is equal to 36 divided by 9, which is 4. Now I will from equation 3, that is a plus 10d is equal to 43, equation 3, that is a plus 10d is equal to 43, a plus 10 into 4, that is equal to 43, a is equal to 43 minus 40, so a comes out to be 3. Now we have to find the AP. Your AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, dot. So a is here how much? 3. Again 3 plus 4, it is 12. Again 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3, 3, sorry. 4 is 7. Again 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 3, which comes out to be 8 plus 3, 11. And again 3 4 is 12. 12 plus 3, it comes to be 15, dot. That is 3, 7, 11, 15, dot. This is your answer. Let me check your answer. Let me check your answer. Here, question number 13. Question number 13. This is question number 13. Here you see 3, 7, 11, and 15. Here, find the AP. Here it is given find the AP. So we need not have to write plus. It will be 3, 7, 11, and 15. Now question number 14. I am going to question number 14. Question number 14. Here this is question number 14. The series is given to you. I have to find the sum of the series up to 30 term. So 85 square minus 83 square plus 84 square minus 82 square plus 83 square minus 81 square plus 82 square minus 80 square plus dot. This. A square minus B square, 85 plus 83 into 85 minus 83. Again 84 plus 82 and 84 minus 82, again plus 83 plus 81, 83 minus 81, again plus 82 plus 80, 82 minus 80 plus dot. This comes out to be 5 plus 3, this is 8. So 168 into 2, again 6 and 8 to the 16, 166 into 2, again 164 into 2, again 162 into 2 plus dot. Now I am making 2 common. So 168 plus 166, this is equal to 2 common, plus 164 plus 162 plus dot. up to 15 term, because here you see the two terms is made into a one term, a single term. These two terms is made into a single term. These two terms, every two terms is made up into a single term. originally there were 30 terms. Since 2 terms has been made into a single term, every 2 terms has been made into a single term, so the total number of terms will be half, that is up to 15 terms. So this is equal to 2, this Sn, this is in AP, so your formula up to 15 term, that is 15 by 2, 2 into 168 plus 15 minus 1, your common difference is 166 minus 168, that comes out to be minus 2, it's close, so 2 bracket 15 by 2, here 2 8 are 16, 6 1, 2 6 are 12, 1 3, and 2 1 are 2. 2 8 are 16, 6 1, 2 6 are 12, 1 3, and 2 1 are 2, plus 14 into minus 2. So 2 bracket 15 by 2, this is 236 minus 2 4s are 8, minus 28, minus 28. So 236 minus 28, 16, 8 minus 8 is 8, 0 and 2. So 2 15 by 2 into 208, here 2 cancel out, so 15 into 208 into 15, 5 8s are 40, 5 2s are 10, 1 8s are 8, 0 2, 0 12, 1 3. This comes out with 3120. Let me check your answer. 2 into 168 is 336. 330. So here 2 into 168, it is 336, and everything is same. So 336 minus 28, that is 308. 308. So multiplication of 308. I'm taking the help of a calculator. 308 into 15. This comes out to be. Is equal to 4620. This is your answer, and here question number 14, it is 4620.